Hi everybody. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm not wearing any eyebrow product right now because I'm going to be testing out the Method Beauty Eyebrow Stamp Kit. This kit is available on Amazon. And the company asked me if I would like to try it out for you all. And so I would love to do that. Because my eyebrows always need a little color. And here's the kit. It has the brow product in here, the stencils, and it even has these little spoolie brushes. Oh, I called it Method Beauty, but it's iMethod Beauty. And this is the Eyebrow Stamp Stencils Kit. It says, thanks for purchasing iMethod Eyebrow Stamp. It says, we hope you are completely satisfied with the iMethod Eyebrow Stamp. 100% satisfaction guarantee. That's good to know. If you have any questions about the product, please don't worry. Contact us via Instagram, Facebook, or email, where a customer service representative will be able to assist you. You can get a replacement or refund easily. No questions asked. And don't need to send it back. Oh, that's very generous of them. This is their Instagram, iMethod Beauty. They've also listed a range of frequently asked questions about using the product. The first one says, will the stamp dry? The powder is inside the lid of the stamp cap, not inside the sponge. The eyebrow stamp can dry out if you do not close it all the way. Okay, that's good to know. And it says, what do I do if the eyebrow stencil does not fit my current eyebrow shape? It says the stencils were created according to the measurements of the golden ratio, so they may not be perfectly fitted to your exact eyebrow growth. If you like the shape of the stencil, once you stamp it on, you can tweeze the hairs that fall outside of the shape to make your natural eyebrow growth fit the shape perfectly. Okay. And it says, what if the color does not work for me? Don't worry, if the color is not right for you, you can contact us for a replacement and we will send the right color for you. I like this company. And it says, if it comes out too dark, stamp the eyebrow stamp on a paper towel before application to remove excess product. If it's too light, it says simply apply another layer. Adding another layer will darken the pigment. Okay, so it's very good to read this and find that out. So it's nice that they included that list of questions in case you run across any of those issues. And here you can follow them at iMethod Beauty. And their website is imethodbeauty.com. All right, let's get started here. I plan to try out all of the shapes, so I have my eye makeup remover and some Q-tips, so I can take one off and put the other one on. And they give you two little spoolies to get your brows brushed up a little bit before you. And these are the 2 packs of stencils. So you can have a right and a left, which is great because I have used stencils before and they usually only give you one. And you have to put it on and color it in, and then you have to flip it over. But there's makeup on the edges of it, so you have to wipe it off first and then flip it over. You know, hope that it doesn't get all muddy or blurred. But in this case, we have one for each eye. So we have 10 different stamps in all. So I'll start with Party Star. Take the little tab out. That's the shape. And the shade of brow product that I have is 02. There's the little sponge right there. The brow product is inside. Okay. I'm gonna place that right on my brow right there. That looks about right. Take the stamp. Wow, that was easy. Look at that. And it's the perfect shade. It really lifted my face. Okay, so this is Party Star. Wow, I like that. Let me do the other one. You put it inside and turn it tight, and then you open it back up and it's reloaded. Okay, so this is Party Star. Not bad. I like this one. Let me take this one off so I can try the next one. See how easily it comes off too. Okay. Comes off very easily with makeup remover. So that's good. I don't have to fight with it when it's time to take it off. Okay. Take the other one off. Stir my foundation a little bit. Powder it back down. Okay, so next will be Nobility. Okay, here's Nobility. It's a little strong for my face, but it's just a little more than I'm used to. Okay, so next is going to be Classic. The stencil has writing on it, so it'll show you where the arch, it says brow ridge, it says eyebrow tail, to make them a little easier to work with when you line them up on your face. All right, so I'm going to take these off. I'm going to put on Classic, and I'll be right back. And this is Classic. This is the shape that I usually try to do when I use a brow pencil. This is my go-to regular shape. So the name Classic works very well, for me anyway. Okay. Yeah. All right, and then the next shape is Sexy. So I'll take off Classic, put on Sexy, and I'll be right back. Okay, this one is Sexy. Something that I noticed when I was applying this one, I needed a little bit more on the tail, and I didn't have to put the stencil down, open it up, and try to reposition the stencil to do it again, because the spring-loaded action in this little tube allows you to do it with one hand. So I was able to just hold the stencil, turn this with one hand, and it pops up. And then you can still continue to hold your stencil, and then, so I like that feature. They thought of everything. Okay, and the next shape is going to be Heroine. So I'll take this off, put this one on, and I'll be right back. Okay, this one is Heroine. So far, this is my least favorite. It doesn't really go with my face or enhance. But this might work great for someone with a different face shape and different eyebrow shape. Okay, next up is going to be Elegant. And here's Elegant. It's more straight across. Doesn't have much of an arch, just a tiny bit. Okay, and then next up is Queen. Okay, I'll be right back with Queen. Okay, and here's Queen. I like this one. It's more like my style. Okay. So next after Queen will be Confident. Okay. I'll be back with Confident. Okay, Confident is another strong brow. So if you like strong brows with the very defined peak at the top, you'll like these. This is kind of how my brows look when I don't tweeze them. So I guess it works with my face, but it's a little stronger than I like. Okay, now I'll be back with, we only have 2 left. So next is going to be Shooting Star. Okay, be right back. And here is Shooting Star. I don't think this one is very flattering to my face either. It makes me look sad. So, I have to pass on Shooting Star. And the last one is Youthful. Let's see if it actually is youthful. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, and here is Youthful. It's another straight style. Kind of makes me look sad too, though. I guess this one's not really for my face shape either. Okay, so this is Youthful. Okay, so that is all 10 brow shapes from iMethod Beauty. I'll leave links to the company and where you can purchase this if you're interested in it in the description box. So I hope you had as much fun with this as I did. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.